How to cancel Facebook Meta subscription. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the See More in Account Center option you see there and then scroll down and you will see the option for Meta Verified. Here, if you have taken a Meta verification subscription, then you will see the option for cancel subscription. So simply tap on the cancel subscription option you see there and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. So this was about how you can cancel Meta Facebook subscription. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.